So that's another one a lot of people have asked me to talk about. It's a big one, and it's a big one for everybody, because at some point in your life, you're going to experience, if you haven't already, you're going to experience deep loss, right? Whether it's loss connected to losing somebody you love, to even aging, to part of your body not working, to whatever, to moving to any part of your life. So now, if left prolonged, grief can absolutely keep you living in the past, right? And so you're never in a place of I'm here, and so you're always going to be on guard. That's the same with fear, and the same with control. So your whole nervous system will always be tense. You'll never experience the profound joy and opening and love, because you're always going to be on guard. Now, my big thing is about teaching people how to connect to their wisdom, as opposed to controlling and being on guard, right? So grief can get you into the victimhood, focusing on self-pity, hopelessness, blame, can impact your lungs, your ovaries in particular. So your whole reproductive system can just shrivel up, and, all sorts of problems can occur. Lower back pain, kidneys, adrenals, heart. So it's a shut down. So it's not to say, oh, let's just pretend we don't have grief or push it away. No, we have to meet it in a particular way. And one of the things that I teach people and talk about is every emotion is different, and how you meet it needs to be different. So if I'm dealing with anger, I need to move my body. If I'm dealing with grief, that is not the time to move your body. It's time to be very gentle and to connect it in a very soft way. So each emotion is like a different friend that needs to be met. And this is why Tony's talking about archetypes. And because I found that the easiest way to help people understand how to work safely with emotions is through archetype work, type of work. So this can lead, again, to pneumonia, frozen shoulders, grief that is pushed away, ovarian cysts, kidney issues, memory loss. So grief and memory are very connected, and affect each other. Lower back pain, irritable bowel syndrome, right? So your body doesn't know what to do, let go or hold on. Hemorrhoids, heart problems, etc. So many things. And that's why I say we're so interesting. We can, as we let go, we transform and we really, really heal. Our bodies are waiting for us to show up and unfreeze ourselves so we can heal.